say the me ye. The respect a man, you know. Because they see my worry moose and mammy. Near me, Tremit and Penachas and American shop my yabotre.
Yawa, only yawa, Shabaya, yawa, yawa, don't worry. You don't call me, Robbie. Yawa, go day. Yamreno,
Nero X.
Sister Philly.
Me pacho good morning to say.
Yami Adum, but I also want to say.
Me ho ye.
95.1.
I want to
I want on YFM. So near the Charlie, you know what to come on. What's your nice chicks in the big hardy? Hey, Sapo you. Oh wow. Yali, what boy you?
YFM papa.
Oh, that's it.
Now ko share him, you watch it.
Hey, the fan chema, it's for the fancy now. Yeah, I've been around. I continue on thing. Yeah, look up until said.
Pacho, oh, me brofo nyina me no mo kan fanti dey me you cry. Pacho.
Okay, me too kwan kakra. Because share UK kakra. Because share UK kakra. But then I travel around in and out. So mostly more Ghana anyways. This is I make them more Ghana. Adasa. Yeah.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Me told your match say enye easy.
That's it.
To say you ha ache to say Osei.
Yes.
But Otia it feels like boy in Nancy.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, as a creative person, you need to do timeless things. That's me and your mom and there. Me no china or chinichi. That's me that more. You know, make choice of lyrics na the and I take time to come out. That's take the time because better be a drop piano or fire. That's yeah.
Into my own prayer who saw by your songs.
No. I mean, I have a lot of songs. Me take time and me. Some comes. I mean, who are that day now, Baba my but that mean drop on like because me and I'm a drop no. I me select and carefully. That's what I do.
So the bay a bab on tia. Yeah,
about to assume. You remember from a penny would say, but you count. And I sometimes say, I'm coming. Maybe that chinty, pedal beer. What's me first time when I do it. This song, shame on you. Enter on your show. But then it would watch you. Yeah, I released it, I think, some month ago. Yeah, but then, that's how it is.
Me say that me GH boy na born say
yes.
And I'm saying you no sem no. It's so relatable.
Yes. I mean that's how every artist behind there. They're more timeless. You understand? Yeah.
Yes. Into which one to na coffee ko talent and I said no wo trim say you them ne be.
This song na gasa class here one of the songs I'll buy impromptu like. And that mu go talent. Me ne ka say na the chile me record them say no say that dey necessary. It's not it was like
talent.
Yeah, so it's like that. Big shout out to Kuku Darlington.
My favorite.
I see. How about I know? Oh, okay, I see. Wow.
Because I know no. That's why we are living the song with boy.
Of course. I mean,
95.1.
Me live life. I mean, pedo bina obedi take time. Me live a free life. Akadesha mo bibaye and then will be back na da bobra no. So I live freely. So the fact that every bad about me, I think good about myself always. Yeah, so whether Jananka maybe the baby the prison no, I mean that Jananka me space go baby. Me chill as yeah.
I saw a post that said I think say interview now call you and I will say fellow artist or Ghana no. Omo said I'm about promotion. Name Tonto Diki. I saw it because of Tonto Diki didn't buy mono.
Yeah, okay.
No one promoting you no.
Okay.
Is it then out to me a cancer?
I guess I didn't make frantically there but see mostly when we drop we don't get that reaction that as in really song a lot of artists and a lot of
95.1
business they are supporting but song like Yawa Day me drop I think 2017 I was in the US then me drop it. About Ghana Bay 1 or 2 promo, but 2020 it took a turn on TikTok and then it started from up there, like Nigeria, Tonto DK, them one was at the or take a whole 10 all together. So me that see now make it like I mean that's what we need to be doing. Yeah, but I didn't write them off. No,
I get it.
Yeah,
into artist be airdrop in your man. Nero X also jam into the song.
I mean we do.
You try to promote the song.
Come on, me commit timelines. I've been singing people's songs. And I'm not saying say ubia ya yenye. I love it when I saw the Black Sheriff Blacko or dropping again. I mean that's it. You know that's you understand. That's what we need to be doing. Dan, I mean it's been coming on
95.1.
Now when you say na dey na mass ansem but say artist be dropping fellow artists kra akwai say more perform wo obi ye concert no invite artists na obi perform ya fellow artists be to about say obe no dey cry anything.
Yeah, I know. I don't know sometimes one way or the other or your business was also often competition. Often the competition. But then I mean got me feel that we should just live it. We should live the life. We should think about Ghana first. Yeah, project Ghana through our music, through our whatever we're doing. So that's what we need to be looking at. But flex when you song albums, you know, or we empedebe jam to another empedebe supporting them. I mean, music is music. Just live it. Like enjoy music. Yeah, help others.
And I say, people who are doing say, or jamming to and you never say, "Hey, be an I
mean, enviness war. More than any mobility room. What's about now? Non-part so we are in a character. We have introverts, we have extroverts. I mean, people. So, I mean, me blame, but because the majority, woman, pushy and homo. I mean, Ghana, and through our music, we're doing high life, we're doing all this. I mean, before the Nigerians even came in, but now because of they support themselves even more, they are all over. And that's what we need to be doing.
I'm gonna move it together.
I mean, yeah. Nigeria, maybe we're outside more. When it comes to Ghana events outside Ghana, mostly Ghana for bad though, but enthusiasm no yet low. But Nigeria, one artist can even sell a whole auditorium within some 10-15 minutes. No, a ton. Or everywhere booked full up. But Ghana, even our topmost arts are if you there A-listed. They don't even get that unless they do a lot of promo before they can even get a kakra. And that is not it. We need to do more. I think that the Nigerians they think like the Americans. That's what we need to be doing. I mean, it started way back. Because what can you say? Let's live freely. We need to.
Just any confidence.
I mean, we lack it. The investors simple. We lack them because they fear to invest in us. Or this music thing, I've been doing this all on my own. All my songs have been dropping. Me sign under any record label. I'm doing everything on my own because people fear to even come in to invest.
They think they are risking a lot.
I think they just don't want the one musicians there were riffraff, like or radical. But music is a whole business on its own, a good mining site. So I think people should come in. I mean, the creative art I'm talking about. People should come in. Our investors, they should come in. They should come in to support, and again, the government. Yeah. Maybe
so government,
Oh, they do see. Now what you have for challenge? Now musicians, I mean, they know what we can do, but just sometimes I don't know the Ghanaian,
mindset.
Yeah, we need to just change it a little bit. Say invested no baby. Come on, scout out somebody who is talented. Help the person. The person can blow and also make you. I mean, we can push Ghana together.
This is so nice. Who mentioned A-list artist?
95.1.
Oh, I mean, we are a lot. Me call me kahon. Yeah, kahon.
Let's say be more. Let's say A to say.
Oh, I mean, you can. Oh, be an agent. I mean, me A-listed artist. I'm a lister. No, A be no. You be. So we make an Obia kahon.
It's who A then.
Patapa or A-list artist. That's a Sakodi A-list artist. Shatta A-list artist. Kukudan and A-list artist. I mean, it's like that.
Then now they select who A-list artist.
One I'm feeling one. I want to feel one. I feeling no.
It's yesterday or yard, but they won't want to say or yard. Yeah.
Yes.
I can relate to his lyrics.
I mean, me in Canada. Adaza. Obi feel the feeling no. I mean, feel patapa rough.
Sir.
Yeah.
I'm feeling no.
DBM like he live life. oye more ped oye. On Gina, my wedge. No. That is it. Obiso no meaning agent. I mean, you are entitled to your opinion. Yeah, that's it.
I get it.
Yeah.
He's living his life.
Yeah.
What motivates you to create music, to write?
I think it's a talent. It's a talent that I'm using. Talent. I mean, growing up, I thought there would be an minimum too, because now me part treble, me auto, me tenor, me there like obilu off key minimum. So I thought it's me feel a talent. So growing up, it started way in church at the age of 11. I'm a church choir. You know, school, yeah, fanfare now. So okay, me motivation, me do a talent. I mean, what me dem song ko e dem tum di adwuma. As I say, Marco school baby, but music is something that is part of me. Creating music is not hard for me.
Don't find any pressure.
No, at all.
Say the boy hot now. See here at the metro. How do I put these things together?
I mean, the musicians baby one show. Or singers, like we write for them.
Okay, they
have also only show only moto. As I said, so also even instrumental is quite a musician.
Yes.
So music it all differ, but I mean I'm blessed with that, like writing, playing instruments. I mean playing drums, playing other things like meaning how I arrange music. It's music. I mean okay, this one sounds good. As I said, so obiana na swing obiana niti, but I think that's my talent.
Into your music and can say where then.
Kebia Ebian come here farmer.
I didn't hear.
Because I'm paid the band.
Onua FM 95.1.
Sir.
Yeah, me get bore off. I mean, did papa.
Tinye enyoma.
Anya me on come here book.
Okay, ka best farmer sir.
Come here, Germanando.
And our second job career is in Kenya farming now.
When you're farming, no, I'm football, so Bobopa.
I don't know what pursue.
I mean, I the body. Unem bubuna, that's a man. I could check baby. My bobo, you chama, we would know Charlie will plum. I'm going to boo me name to do. You say I come boy, you're crying your face. Oh, I Joe. Oh, Murray, no.
And I said, I'm a fan.
I'm finding that man. I'm going to cook more.
Onua FM 95.1.
What if you now have born now? Who Felicia
Osei? Serious, like boarding. Let me the go to count.
And now, responsibilities also.
I may be a bit different. Me strike. To much other what I say, and I'm saying, win. I won't come better goal. I'm a dead. I'm a mature of. I call Lagos Town. One of them. Lagos Town. I'm called Banjasi. I'm called Banjasi. Banjasi. Yeah, primary.
I know.
Lagos Town key primary. But I find Banjasi. I find Banjasi.
The
goal of.
One an hour born.
Yeah. The tournaments now. Oh, Mitchell.
The day you say penalty, no, you can say with you.
Body. Home no bar. Boy, the mom will be unbelievable. Be I mean, a legend. Oh, my own family. A beshe. But home no bar. Next time, no born why you know, because you knock machine. That's time all born for them. Uncle, I didn't him. See, I know either like what you but next time I won't quit you for short and because Charlie and in that blue. On your the man.
Oh, me, a number.
As I say, you're not you day. A button for not the Messiah from in a crash. I didn't easy. You want to penable, baby. Senior one. Yeah, but the day you're a dope. I mean, me penasem or a legend.
Then I come a bobo.
Exactly. Few day like oil and also. When you're there, be a Ubian and pedo who jina boy china. No, to be shout out to Samoa. Yeah, I'm going to share a boy. I'm going
to go for me offer months. So that you woman. I'm Mabo be the minimoti. Pressure cry down so cry. Will be adding the to say when I will be go. A home pressure cry.
I'm going to a baby.
Do you feel say awards determines how good you are in music?
No, not at all. Abba. And I can't dance and coffee bridge and music.
Bebereje because of awards.
I mean, it's your own cup of tea. You don't have to do that. I mean, music, or talent, young woman, or the man, and without award, is able to achieve a lot. Myself, I mean, me one of them. I mean, award. I mean, person like me, you got to want to award. No. And then mama fine. I found mama. I mean, life goes on. But so because I motivate. That's I'm award or motivate. Yes, and to turn out what child to Toby woman. I don't know when you wasn't go for
because the boy out to me so deserve it. What's the next
year? Patapa. Now saying award the way most popular award will talk for me. But I can't obey. One corner, one farmer. But the more before.
But no one is all deserve it.
One corner.
Maybe I never know one qualifier, Anna.
The one was all reason. I mean, I'm funny that my others are. Yeah. Yeah, but then you shouldn't let award, I mean, put you down, like on downward spirit. No. I mean, life goes on. You need to produce good songs, just enjoy it. Let them stream it. Play your normal shows, get your money. That's it.
I mean, support of what you are saying because my award element to what?
Yeah. Music.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, a talent you made you need to work with it. That's I am fine. You man, no some more.
Yeah, no crap. When did you cry me?
Yeah,
I don't
cool.
No, me say voter region boy be there. And you need any dia.
More time. Come you join Diana on engineer.
But not any connection be and you know say and a title
and pumper because
I check.
Oh, I can ask him SMP. Will be what only a BB and honest wife from a different light. I mean, whatever happened, I mean, I'm cool and with you. I don't want that song. Better me if you internet and put no, like I mean, pens and some people.
Onua FM 95.1.
Only said be beside or Fanyum. On the Sonia, the AP thinks is for him.
I mean,
they allowed time.
Oh, why?
The same lyrics and the same title.
You might be order in as will be better than the app major.
I didn't say.
Because more baby or. Oh, GH. Yes, you go back to protest too.
I was so be back on
you. But the Siano Canada, because you shouldn't fight over anything. Life is too short to even quarrel. I mean, no.
And you know, so be back in the or the better no your mama why so on for you this song. Oh, you didn't say one more.
Oh, that's it.
And I said, "Oh, since I know about threat for no, it's not easy."
You may not say. A talent. I
watch music videos for him because I never pan.
Much be one outside in.
Now your Jubilee House, I won't try.
Hey, me and Gamacha. Hey, why not? No, I won't pull by channing.
And no, sir, I'm not going to say.
Why then, in actual sense, you call you, but the ensemble lyrics cinema call you for that place in the presidency one. I mean. Some F words, some N words, and all, you know. On a pay, but in Koye, if one may not privilege to go there,
we not there. So when you say we not there, Mamma,
I don't know yet.
Nano Samini can come up almost to the
I don't care all yet. But I mean, young fan.
That's what when said these are the types of songs our year. And no man go ahead. It's a Ghana for your boy and four.
Me sure that I don't make it's either that no one name do video, no one name. Ebi no John or any freestyle being a water quota. And I said, no one minute because a musical mostly in Wobon, my years you get perform. No, they in different locations, the same place, different locations. I said, the Wobon all two. I do.
You can say,
oh, yeah, man.
When it's German,
the senior man be moved out and start to president Nature Day, Charlie. Hey,
and I can say,
obey you, Gan, obey.
Onua FM 95.1.
But so a year through.
Obey if you social backlash near more. Ghana, you the yempe. Nkayedok nkadam mum nkayedok kodo on man kanamboa. Nkayedeng yemfe ago ntonchen. But we see we no apologize into no man you move.
No. Oje say oyi feel na nice because say when ya we hu susu do you feel nothing changes.
We of course oshe backlash near more. No mpede obe jadam e no wa dey. It's no oye dem. Oye.
Bia ye. Anka wanyi di anka nkofo be hokọ bonyom no.
Nkantum obi anu ntumi nya na hwe mum. But
Debbie.
or respect no, I feel the make me or respect no. Yeah, or respect obuno pa my respect no so what the man no.
I think so when man
you will be blamer, we just blame ourselves,
In short words, and one hour can. None can. Nero X, your final words.
My final words. Me one new song out. Of your economy. Yeah. Of your economy.
Of your economy. I just said
yeah, you know, me African or maybe we are singing and paying forward the end. One fan set up, one tea. Now 1 year, my citizens in Japan 1 year man. That's you know, title them.
Our citizens in the journey here.
We need a lot. We need jobs. We need schools, hospitals, some facilities be where you here. They should when they promise us they should just deliver. That's the whole message.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I was saying
Of your economy. Of your economy.
Ega.
Or man kasa me
Wow kasa.
Yeah. Me abbreviation or acronym.
Okay, mofia. Me say fear no to ga.
Omofia.
Yeah,
Omofia.
And the upcoming project.
We're out now. It's and I have the video on YouTube. So enter that. Yes.
About the be what you need now. GH boy
Good.
This one patch your point about when the pons. Shame on you. Right here now they to stand by mommy. In time no already. I want buy 1 minute to be. Net phone sweaty.
No problem.
Oh Matilda. Oh wow, this is mini Martinu weather. It's a beautiful song. It's a beautiful song.
Thank
you so much for passing by. I mean, shall pass our banner. Everyone come on.
That's me the one you see. Onua family. I make what TV radio Captain Smart. Auntie Yati. I mean, show one for the support. Echo. One TV radio. Make video net that do 247. Bless you. GH boy, Charlie. Respect. Support you. I'm showing you now, Felicia.
Thank you for coming.
Bless you.
Shame on you, Ninimewa. Oh, I have only 95.1 FM Adwuma Adwuma. In Nero X and a bon common. Then you have that see about call no 17 you many aje. And I am right so. Me am did you make come brother my friend Felicia Osei. Me yama. O Feli me bro son of friend me oh Feli. Fine girls in class prefect. Me producers na kwa me Jan sapo you and did you make Abraham. GH boy. Don't rate back and see Robert and so wa mamwa. More from Papa or Maryland. Shame on you. You better some news for the 12 o'clock news. Abramo. What have you done? You had much and I best share you in a sense in a tear for near door for Munina. Bye bye.